Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day here in beautiful, beautiful France. And real quick, before we jump into today's vlog, I just want to come on and tell you guys about the amazing new treat that I've been treating myself to recently almost every day. They are so good, so I have no reason not to enjoy them every day. I'm here to tell you about the premium CBD gummies from a company called Premium Jane. Now, this CBD gummy is packed with CBD. And if you guys wondering what CBD is, CBD is extracted from part of the marijuana plant and have so many effects on the body. Now, if you are into a healthy lifestyle or with whatever lifestyle that you are in and you want to get your CBD in, these gummies are a good way of doing that. No, I normally take my gummies during the evening when I put the kids down and I just want to woosa and relax. And normally sometimes I find myself taking them when I just need a sweet treat in the day. So instead of me go and get a candy or another gummy that is not so healthy, I rather to have these, and these satisfy me when I have them when I want something sweet. And what's so good about these gummies is that they are packed of fruity natural flavor. There's no GMO in it. It's actually vegan friendly. It's very vegan friendly, it's vegetarian friendly. Let me just show you guys what the gummies are looking like in here. So that's what they're looking like. It's pretty tasty. And for vegan, I must tell you that you don't even realize that you're eating something vegan unless you look on the package. That's how good they are. And I like the fruity flavor of each of the gummies. There are different type of flavor in here. And as you guys can see, my bottle is almost finished. That's how much I'm enjoying these gummies. So if you guys want to go ahead and enjoy some of these gummies, whether you're looking for something to make you relax or whatever reason, something to just give you some energy or to de-stress. If you're looking for a sweet treat, a great snack, if you want to snack on something and you really have a sweet tooth, then this is a great option for you. You can go ahead and find this over at Premium Jane. Also by using my code MEL to get 25% off your premium CBD gummy. Now go ahead and click the link down below and enjoy. One of these pack have 30 gummies in it, and that's a pretty big deal. For something healthy and tasty, why not? Click the link down below and enjoy your pack of premium gummies. Listen, they're so good that sometimes I have to stop myself from eating 2 for the day. It is recommended to have 2 gummies per day just to relax and to relieve. You really have to hold back sometimes to not have more than 2 because they taste so good. Premium Jane also ships worldwide, so you don't have to worry about where you are. Premium Jane products will get right to you. So click the link down below and get 25% off with my code MEL and get yourself a jar of CBD gummy from Premium Jane. Hello, 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 hello. How are you guys? You guys, I am tired. Yes, I said it. I said it. Okay, I'm tired because I just finished getting my workout in, and that was absolutely amazing. If it can fix my mental and I feel tired after every session, then best believe I'm gonna do it. Make sure you guys get your workout in. You guys, everybody's up and doing their own thing and minding their own business. Tyler's minding his business at school. Baby's minding his business at work. I am minding my business here. And Sarah is minding her business around the table. Let's show you guys. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? What are you eating? What is in there? Say hi. Say cuckoo. You even get a kiss this morning? All right, pretty girl. What's that? What is this? Head. You're here eating egg with your pretty self. You finish? Finish? Are you finished? Are you just watching the TV? You finish? You're just enjoying seeing yourself. That's all. You showing them your you showing them your mouth? You showing everybody inside your mouth? What? You're not gonna say anything? Okay, let mama talk to the face. So you guys, I am here about to get my breakfast. I am about to get my breakfast. And this is breakfast this morning. I made smoothie last night for babe breakfast this morning, so I made enough so I could have some. So babe had green smoothie for breakfast this morning. In here I have spinach, mango, strawberry, banana, almond milk, and yogurt. Yes, all the good stuff packed in one. Healthy breakfast. That's what we do around here sometimes for babe, but most time for me. Baby's doing better and better each and every day. I'm so proud of babe for how far he has come and how serious he is taking the steps to eat better, and that's absolutely amazing. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are doing good. Hopefully you guys are staying safe. And few days after vaccine, it has been Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It has been 3 days since I took my vaccine. What are the side effects of the vaccine for me? Tuesday when I took it, my hand was numb. Nobody couldn't touch here at all for the entire day Tuesday. So Wednesday morning I decided that I'm gonna sit out workout. And Wednesday morning it was still numb and hurting a bit. I didn't take any medication because I couldn't manage what I was feeling. And then Wednesday midday I start feeling a change. I start feeling the pain wearing off. By Wednesday night, I could do everything with my arm. And Thursday, I was back working out. I was back doing everything with my hand. And now it's Friday. I took off the bandage. Actually, this morning, I took it off. So the only side effects that I had from the vaccine was the numbness in my arm for a day. But other than that, I have been doing well. I had no fever, which they had said to expect. I had nothing else. So yeah, that was the side effect that I had from that Pfizer vaccine. But round 2 is coming up in a month's time, so of course I'll keep you guys updated if I feel any different and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and continue on with my day. Oh, today's a big day. Today's a big day because the coach is coming today. The couch is coming today. Hey, the couch is coming today. I've been waiting to throw out this stripping couch. Lord, oh, I've been waiting. I'm going to take off everything off of it and put it on the outside because they should be coming around the time when Tyler is getting home from school, but babe will be home, so that I'll be able to go pick up Tyler just in case they come during the time when I'm out. So babe will be home for the delivery. I'm going to show you guys how the couch looks to show you guys why we really need a new couch. I've never showed you guys a full view of how terribly bad this couch has stripped. But if you guys investing in a couch, please don't make the mistakes we made. Don't buy a couch like this. Anyway, I'm gonna have breakfast and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what the couch look like while Sarah stay here and sing. So go ahead and enjoy the rest of today's vlog and give this video a thumbs up right now and subscribe right now if you're new to the fam bam, and catch up and keep up with us. We post videos every day on our channel. If you don't want to watch the vlogs, we post shorts, and shorts is just few second clips of the family, whatever madness we're doing, whether dance, whether singing, whether reacting to something. So just scroll down on the bottom of the page and you'll see shorts down below. Go and watch them and comment and like them and all that good stuff. What are you doing? You finish? You finish eating. Let's get up. Your diaper needs to change. Your diaper needs to... Ah! We're in the same color, Sarah. Your mama matching. We're matching. We're matching. Look. Look. Give them a kiss. Give mama a kiss. Mwah. I love you. One more kiss. Kiss. Mwah. I love you. Oh, I love these days when she kiss me and she use her hand and touch my cheek like this. Come, let's go have smoothie. Go, sit. Go on, sit. So, this is the couch that we're getting rid of. You see how terribly this couch has stripped? Look at that. That. Never buy a couch with the leather looking like this. Lesson learned. We have bought this couch when we moved into our first place almost 6 years ago. So I guess it has done its time. This strips so bad that the leather is no longer there. It's just the cloth material that's surviving. So yeah, the coolest thing about this couch is that it had the storage section here. You see all that? It strips under there. And it has also done its time because the spring is also broken under there. But it could still do a very long time, even though the spring is broken because you don't really feel it on top. But it still could have done a long time if it didn't strip. I mean, if I was in Jamaica, for example, I could easily get this couch wrap at a good, reasonable price. But since we're not in Jamaica, honey child, I can't afford to wrap this. Might still get a new one. The cost to wrap these, hey, girl. Anyway, you guys, so it's the last time that we will be seeing this. Out with the old and in with the new. The new couch is here. You guys, look at that. It is so perfect. Let me see if I can give you guys from a different angle. It's so big and it's perfect for the space. Perfect for the space. Hey, hey. You guys can see it's almost the same color. I like the same color of the one we have, but the material is perfect. Cloth. Yes, perfect. Perfection. Yes. So there we go. Thank you, Comforama. You did good. And that's the bed right here. Don't have any storage, but that's okay. I can deal with that. Yes, honey. So we'll call today Fast Food Friday instead of Pizza Friday. Yes. That's what's for dinner today, you guys. Burger King.
I can't see because I'm blind, so I just trust you.
And you want that to wave in your hands.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. I got A++ yesterday, A++ today, no hole yesterday, and no hole today, and 0 foot yesterday.
But do you think you're supposed to make hole every day?
No.
Right. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Yes, that's what my day is. I mean, when you have a kid that is giving a lot of trouble, there's one thing you can do. Just trying to show him who is the boss at home and send him to bed right away. You want to go to bed?
No.
So behave properly, okay?
Okay, but
Guys, we just went supermarket. Say it too. Supermarket.
guys.
Supermarket. And we got a lot of goodies. What we got, Tyler? Let's do it fast. Just tell them without showing. Just tell them like we got broccoli, we got carrot, we got all of this.
We
That's
got
done.
no carrot, so that's a lie. That's not.
Alright, let's see what is it. What is that,
So,
Tyler?
wait, I forgot it. I didn't tell what we're going to do. We are going to put the colored roof cups. If
that you got 3 pack of healthy biscuit. It's such big
Look what I got
healthy
today.
biscuit.
Mango. Wish me luck. Because they look okay for me to buy them, so I just take 2. It cost me 3
Look
euro, but
okay.
Red.
Look okay.
Red.
We have a biscuits. Biscuits. We have yogurt.
Cucumber.
Why?
Hello.
Goes to why?
We don't have time to do colors. Choose
We
something
have
else.
Okay, so
cucumber.
they healthy and not healthy. Healthy
Corn.
and not healthy.
What's this time?
Eh,
What's this? Is the first one
Good.
today.
Tangerine juice, I choose it.
You wanted to try? It's good. It's very good. We have spinach. She found out something like she used to do omelette with the spinach. That's one of your favorite thing to do. So
No, it's not my new favorite thing to do. It's because I want him to have a good breakfast in the mornings and not have snack. So I make him spinach omelette in the morning.
a spinach have something specific to do.
It's healthy. It's spinach. It's vegetable.
Okay. What is that?
Ham.
It's very healthy. It's B.
It is.
And what is that?
Cheese.
It's very healthy. It's A. I'm trying to find it, but I'm sure it's written somewhere.
Anyway, you guys, we'll pick up these packages of food for Sarah because when we're on the go, these are really good for Sarah and she loves them. We have broccoli.
Woo! We got a big shrimp. A big pack of shrimp. Not cheap. Not cheap at all. It's like €5 for this pack, but it's like 5 shrimp in it only.
I want to tell you something.
Great stuff for Sarah.
And we have salmon.
Guys, I want to tell
Okay.
you something.
Here, babe, joke at me now.
What
She
you
said,
want?
excuse me.
What you want to say?
Is that when you have something, you put it in the middle, and I put it in this side. And at the end, you can see which side wins.
Okay. Guys, she got this. Is a bottle substitute milk.
It's like
Papa,
what we
eat.
drink in Jamaica called what's that healthy little drink called that
So you're
old people
supposed to
I don't
drink
remember
that
what
and
it's
not
called.
to eat your lunch. That's what it is.
Anyway, you guys, it's a protein shake in
I
bottle.
think she want to lose weight. She want to lose weight. She want to lose bones. She have no weight to lose.
At what point did I tell him I want to lose weight?
She want to
Lord?
lose bones.
Tell me at what point. He's just always coming for me. I need to start shutting him up, you know.
Who is in charge? Who is in charge?
What you say? Exactly. Sarah tell him bye bye and what?
We
Sarah
have
enough.
juice
Bye-bye.
for her. She got the juice.
Tell him bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. You're your mother's child. Bye bye.
Sarah, tell them what is this? What is this?
Green.
Yes, it's a color green, but what is it? Ah? Oh, what is this? It's apple.
Pom.
She said palm.
Pom.
What is this?
Pom. What is that, sir?
What is this?
Blue.
Blue.
Chicken.
It's chicken. Said chicken. Good
Chicken.
girl.
And this is
What is this? Say sausage. Sausage.
we have olive oil here. We have a pack of nuggets. Nuggets.
Tell her help.
We have sausage. We have chicken.
We're putting it
We have
inside.
hamburger cheese.
We're not doing that today, please. Just take out
Hamburger
the
cheese. We have how you call that? How you call that? thing?
melon.
Melon. Melon doesn't taste
Watermelon.
good. It doesn't
Then
taste
he
good
so
at all.
I can't kill it for you.
It doesn't taste good at all. We have chicken.
More apple.
For
No
now,
apple.
everything
Sarah, what color is this?
us.
What
Eggs.
color? Green. Good girl.
Eggs are it.
Show Sarah. Sarah, what is this?
Papa, let me see. What?
White. What is in it? Egg.
Papa,
Take it with your 2 hand tie. 2 hand. Put it on the stove.
How you call that?
Paper towel.
Paper towel.
Guys,
Guys.
when you have something, you give
Who
me
you calling guys?
Guys.
No. Fix
Mama?
it. Yes,
Mama?
Tyler.
Every time there's something, you give it to me and I say, this a note or not?
No, you need to speak and do the haul with Papa.
If you want to know if the ginger is good, you have to do that. That's a good one. That's a good one. Almond milk. Almond milk without sugar. Somebody is.
See, Mama. Mama, almond milk is big.
What do you think we're friend of you? No, stand on the camera. So they see how you're doing. Beat him up, Sarah. Beat him up, Sarah. Beat him up, Mama. Beat him up, Sarah. Hurry, babe. She caca. I have to go get her a bag.
She caca.
You caca? Say caca?
We have avocado, we have carrots,
And beetroot.
beetroot, as I said, beetroot.
Yes.
Papa?
You have beetroot between the teeth?
Line. Move.
Papa?
Yes, Tyler.
Do you like sweet bread?
If I like sweet bread, no, I don't like sweet bread. I
Mama,
don't like.
do you like sweet bread?
Yes.
No, you don't like it because the sweet bread, you know what it is?
What?
The sweet bread is D. Look, it's D.
We have grapes.
Sweet bread is D.
And we have pineapple.
So Sarah eating these.
We have lemon and apple. Apple puree, that's how you call it? Apple puree. Compote.
Mama,
Compote.
Papa,
Compote.
Papa,
Oui,
girl.
compote.
Papa.
Good.
Oui.
Sarah,
Papa,
Oui, Tyler.
do you like white bread?
If I like white bread, no, I don't like white bread.
Mama, do you
We
like
have grape
white
juice.
bread?
Yes.
But the white bread is B.
Ooh.
Oh, this is the apples.
B.
So I have to put the apples beside. No, this is the banana. I have to put the bananas beside the apples. We have broccoli here. What else, Tyler? We have fast.
The broccoli jumping in here.
Yeah. Boom.
I don't know what it is saying.
This.
Oh.
Ah. It don't taste good at all. My God.
So how the taste in
It don't
coordinate
smell
with your
good.
nose?
It's
How
my
the
English.
taste coordinate with his nose?
If my English don't coordinate with my
Papa,
brain.
you like it?
No, I don't like peach.
He loves peach,
Stop the car.
but he's restricted from eating peach.
We have yogurt. Oh, yogurt is B. Wow. Yogurt is B.
You ready
What
to
is
go
peach?
back?
Peach is terrible. You don't even show what is
No,
it.
we don't even show it.
We have crepe. Crepe don't even show what is it.
Show what we are.
We have some
Still every
blessing.
show what it is. Babe says it's called blessing tree.
And we have
Blessing.
melon for the French.
Show it.
Don't play with it. Don't kick it.
You hear what she's singing?
I eat the
Mary
melon. I eat the
Mary
melon.
had a little lamb.
Come. Do you have it, Papa?
Papa.
She can't carry Well, Sarah is the last of this time. She
Ma.
got cold. She
Mama.
want to come back.
Mama.
Yes,
Woo!
She's going to do
Sarah. She can't carry.
Caca. Caca.
Yes, there.
Sarah's going to caca just cat when her pants will get cold.
Alright, go. Tell Face bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Alright, you guys, that's the end of the supermarket haul, and we're also gonna end the vlog right here for today, honey. Say your goodbyes.
30-20. 30. Mama.
Anyway,
Yeah.
Mama, 13 minutes. 13 minutes. Mama, 13 minutes. Mama,
Yes, Stella, I
13
heard you.
minutes.
Go to the bathroom and take off your clothes. I'm coming.
We are going to play.
Mwah.
Papa.
Alright guys, anyway, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed today. You enjoyed today? What's your favorite part of today?
Getting the new couch.
I was sure about it.
Getting the new couch, and you guys make sure you click down below and get 25% off the CBD gummies. And you guys, when you see me doing a promotion, please go and support, because it helped Mel a lot. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new to the fan band. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys.
Tomorrow.
Say tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Bye bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good girl. Blow them kiss. Mwah.
Mwah. Mwah.
Look, give them kiss. Look. Give them kiss. Kiss.
A,
Mm.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Y, K, L, M, N, O,
Yay! All right, tell them bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Give them kiss. Mwah.
Mwah.
Good girl.
Water, baby.
Okay, I'm gonna give you water now.